Hi guys, so I don't know if you catch up with the videos. Today is Tuesday, so I want to open um some TEMU Bountiful baby and another box that I sent to get here. So I already had broken the thing because I didn't want to make a lot of noise with to you guys. So I want to show you. I had ordered this a long time ago, a long time ago. This got here, and I think it was in April. Excuse me. Yeah, it was in April. I was over there. I was already in the States. So when it got here. So I want to show you some little outfits I picked at TEMU. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my God, it came with two things. Okay, so I got this little chicken outfit. It's a little romper and it has chicken on it and flowers. It goes like this and then it's like open in the back. You see how cute it is? It's so cute. So I got that. That came with a head bow. And okay, that's that. I have this other one. This is the first time I buy clothes from TEMU. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. Look at girls, little rompers. I have that one. I have this one. Look at how cute. Oh my God, beauty, she's so cute. Look at this, girls. Yeah, they're 1 to 3 months. I really don't know how to order there because their sizes are different. Then I have, oh my God, this is so cute. I got an elephant one. I think this could fit either Sophie or, yeah, Sophie or my June asleep, my June awake. Look at how cute, girls. And it has a hat, is it? Yeah, it has a hat, girls. Well, anyway, the hat is in here. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. I can't. It says 1 to 3 months, but you see, guys, it's really big. So yeah, I got that. That's 3 outfits. I'm sorry about the noise. I should have took it out the bag. Oh my God, this one is so stinking cute. Look at this little rompers with dinosaurs on them. I think they're dinosaurs. Yeah, something like that with the little bow. And then it comes with the headband so you can make a bow yourself. That's cute. I think these things were like 3 excuse me, $3 or $4, I think the most. Oh my God, look at this. This is so stinking cute. Look at, like a little vintage romper. It has a little ruffle. 1 to 3 months. It's so cute, and it comes with the piece to do a headband on it. It's cute. I thought I had got more boy stuff, but no, I got all girl stuff. Let me see. Oh. Yeah, girl, so I just finished doing like 4 or 5 videos, so they're uploading little by little. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. Look, girls. Oh my God, it's so stinking cute. This is 1 to 3 months, but it looks pretty big, but it's cute. I really don't like this material, but it's okay. For the price, you can't beat it. And probably for pictures, it will look cute. Then I got the last one. Oh my God, this I do. Wow, girls, look at how cute. This is cute. Look at how cute it is. And look at the hat. It's so stinking cute. Now, this is worth it. I think this was like $6 or $5 for this one. It's so cute. And last but not least, I got Adeline her bracelet. It's in here. Look at Adeline's little bracelet. It says Adeline on it for my Adeline. Then the next thing was I got this from Amazon. It was $7.99. And it came, it's the pacifier with the little elephant. And then it came with this little bag. It says, I love mom. Yeah, so I got that from Amazon. And now we're gonna open Bountiful baby box, which that's what I got. I got a here it goes. I got a snuggle. Is it a, not a, is it a, how you call it? I can't remember. A cuddle baby. Snuggle. I don't know why the hell I'm thinking about snuggle. A cuddle baby. I got a cuddle body, and I got a baby, a kit. And let me show you guys. Oh my God. This is the body. This is the body for the cuddle baby. Oh my God. And I got the little tiny baby. It's 16 inches. It's Bean. It's called Bean. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. I can't. Look at. And it got open hands. Okay, guys. Look at this. I love it. Look. It has little open hands. Oh my goodness. And look at the feet. Look at how cute. Que lindo. Well, yeah, I guess this one doesn't come with the paper, with the certificate, because this is a reborn. This is not it's a reborn doll kit. It's not a real reborn. So yeah. So I'm gonna put the baby. That body is for the baby. And I got a snuggle baby because I got these little kits that I want to put together. So yeah. So yeah, girls, I'm excited for that. So I'm gonna do some preemie babies. Then I want to show you, I want to open this other box, which is stuff that I brought and sent over here to Puerto Rico. Oh God, girls, I'm so tired. I'm still tired from the trip, all the stuff I did over there. I got here, and then yesterday, Monday, when I did the video, before I did the video, I cleaned the room. The room was a mess. Like this was out of hand. So I cleaned it really quick, and then I started doing the video so the room could be clean. And then today I was like, let me finish doing some of the video because I still got some more boxes coming in. So I don't even remember what is this that I brought. I brought so much stuff. Oh, okay. This is all things that I brought from Dollar Tree. And this is my bowls, which I just threw in there. This is not, this don't go there. I got a sewing kit, some crochet hooks. I got these pacifiers for the babies. I got another one of these. I got this other one. I opened these so it could fit in the box because the packaging was too much. Then I got 2 boxes of magnets, small, and 2 pack of small magnets I got. Then I brought this little Dumbo elephant thing. Okay, this is the box with the diapers. Then I brought these little circles. This is for the pacifiers. Oh, I know what this is. I got 2 more pacifiers. I got these little containers for paint. Let me put them here. Marisol got me these so I could put paint in here. There's 3 of them. One is in the other box right here. Then I have this pacifier that Marisol gave me. More pacifiers. And then I got these glass cups that Marisol sent me. She got me another pack of the glass cups for the paint. Then this is the stuff that I went to Goodwill and I found. But let me show you the diapers. So I went to Once Upon a Child and I found a box of 190 something diapers for Christmas with the Grinch. So I got these. It was half a bag of these, right? A bag of these and a bag of the Grinch. So I split it into 3. I split it with Marisol, my daughter, and me. So we have diapers. And then when I went to Marshall's, I found this blanket for $2. So I got it for $2. Then, girls, I found at oh, here goes the other one. At Goodwill, I found I found some dolls, right? My son-in-law found some dolls. So I left the box at my daughter's house with like 5 little dolls, and then I sent 2 over here. So I want to show you what I got. It's naked, but it's so cute. Look, girls, I got little baby original authentic Cabbage Patch, the baby ones. The head doesn't move, but the arms and the legs move. And it has like 2 people. They don't drink, not that I know of. Yeah, look. So I got this one, and then I got this one. Look at this one. So I have 2 of them. It was like $4 in a bag for $2, and my son-in-law got them for me. So I got 2 of these. So now I gotta get clothes for these 2 babies. Look at how cute, guys, for my collection. 2 little Cabbage Patch babies. And then I found this little vintage, like little batita onesie, you could say. I mean, nightgowns. And then I found these little brand new little yellow with bunny little pants. And then I brought for my grandson, because I loved him so much, I brought his little cocoa melon, and I brought the pig because I love the pig. So I got this for my grandson. So yeah, girl, so I'm done now. I'm really done. There's no more videos for this until probably Thursday or Friday that I get the other boxes. Then I'm gonna do some more videos. So girls, thank you for watching. If you stood this long and you watch all my other videos, if you didn't, go check out all the videos of all the hauls I did. They're all from Once Upon a Child, and the last video before this one I think is all Burlington and Marshall's videos and Carter's. So yeah, girl, so I had to do a little change around here. I had to go get a big bin. I was talking to Marisol. She told me to get a bin, which I had. And in there is all the Once Upon a Child clothes. I put that there, and then I changed a little bit around so I could fit everything in the room. So yeah, girl, so this is how it's looking now. So yeah, it's a lot, but you know what? We'll make it work. Girls, so I'll see you in my next video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Have a blessed day, and always remember, God is first. Thank you, girls. Bye.